This is the reality of trying to film with two kids. Good morning from a beautiful weekend here in British Columbia. Today is going to be a very special day because we are actually going to test going out with this little one and with this little toddler. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now say hi first.
Hi.
So baby Cloud is officially 3 weeks old when we're filming this video, and also I guess Max is also. Oops. Excuse me. What did baby Cloud just do?
The pooping part. No, the...
We haven't even left the house yet. So Max is just getting ready right now, but we are planning to go to Cultus Lake, which is about an hour drive from our home. It's going to be a great day because it's not that warm, it's not that cold. There's a little bit of clouds, but we're going to get plenty of sunshine as well. Who's ready?
Let's go!
Excuse me. Baby Cloud, we haven't even left the house yet, and you've already done two incidents. How about you?
I'm ready for...
Cold brew.
Sorry, when
That's
you
fine.
ordered,
Yeah.
fine.
Cold brew. I don't know what the difference is cold brew and iced coffee. Thank you. Can we also get some ketchup, please? Coming.
So we left early at home because we're going to stop by breakfast at McDonald's. And yeah, the family is eating their breakfast right now. Skylar, what did you order?
What's your order, Sky?
Pancakes.
Huh?
Yeah. Mom is having pancakes as well, and Dad have a griddle.
Yeah, McGriddle. How about you, Baby Cloud? What did Baby Cloud have?
Lots of naps. I have hash brown. You want hash brown?
We're trying to get to Cultus Lake as fast as we could, so we get there early, and also before Baby Cloud starts crying.
No, you cannot step.
This is the reality of going out of the house with babies. Is you have to bring the whole house. Do we have everything? Yeah?
Baby Cloud's ready.
Are you ready, Baby Cloud?
Go to the beach.
So we finally made it here to Cultus Lake Provincial Park, and I think we just came at the right time because it's not very busy yet. People are just arriving, and we got a pretty good spot here by the beach.
Yeah, there's a lot of available spots, lots of tables that are empty. I think this is the third spot that we moved to.
Yeah, we just wanted the perfect spot that we could stay in for a few hours.
Though the weather is a little bit cold today, so everyone's wearing their jackets. Baby Cloud have 2 layers with him.
Which is strange because I checked the weather app and it's supposed to be a high of 20 today with mix of sun and clouds, but mostly we're just seeing clouds today.
Yeah, but I think it's still a nice weather as long as it's not raining.
Yeah, I think it's still a win.
Yeah. Somebody just drank milk and fell asleep.
Cloud, you haven't even seen the place yet. I think even though weather's like this, it's still a big win for us being out of the house with 2 small kids. And we've always wanted to bring the kids closer to nature, so I think this is a small step towards that. I almost forgot to mention that Cultus Lake is pretty big and we are specifically in the picnic area of Cultus Lake. I think right across is the campground, which is only accessible if you have camping reservations in there. But I think we just have the same beautiful view as they have. You want to wash your hands?
Yeah.
See? Let me see your hands. Oh no. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Careful, please. Say hi. So we don't have any camping tent, but Skylar insisted on bringing her bluey tent with her, so she have a tent.
Yeah, that's good enough, right, Sky?
Yes.
And that little one, I think, is enjoying the breeze.
Yeah, this one is very sound asleep. We are currently surrounded by good smelling food, like people are making their barbecues, their burgers, their grills and everything. This makes me think that we need to invest on some camping equipments or picnic equipments, right Dad?
Yeah, I think we've lost everything since that camping series.
And also during the move.
Well, the goal really of this trip isn't to be here for the whole day. We just wanted to test the waters if we could do a day trip with Baby Cloud being so small and also Skylar being a toddler. It turns out it's doable, so we might do this more often.
Thank you, Miss Pizza Girl. Here you go, Dad.
Thank you.
Good job. So it's already lunchtime, and since we didn't bring anything at the beach, we just decided to grab some eats at the close by shops here. And Skylar decided to have some cheese pizza. This is just a small pizza shop here in Cultus Lake, and it's called J. Beethoven's Pizza.
This isn't actually the first time that we've been here to J. Beethoven Pizza. I think we always choose this pizza shop because most of these shops and restaurants here in Cultus Lake are a little bit expensive, so having pizza gives us the most for our money. This little one hasn't done anything but sleep.
I think he slept mostly of the drive and also during our time at the beach. So
Yeah.
he slept most of the time.
Just cried a little bit to get some diaper changing.
And some milk.
Inside, what you can do is put in the boxes and you sit in the table.